The job of copying, moving, inserting, and deleting rows and columns is quite simple, but it directly affects spreadsheet cells that contain formulas. Copying cells can be done as follows. Copying text only or numbers only cells presents no major problems, and it all amounts to 4 simple operations, which are: select the cells to be copied, press the copy button, place the cursor on the cell to be copied, and press the paste button. Copying cells with formulas, just select and copy to destination. When one or more cells are derived from formulas, the user must parse the copy, given that references made to cells within the formula are changed in the target cells to reflect the same situation as the original cell with respect to the physical distance between cells. If you have to lock rows and/or columns, use the following commands. $alphabetical character $number, to lock both column and row. $alphabetical character number, to lock just the column. Alphabetical character $number, to lock the line. If you don't want to lock anything, don't use $. The best way to insert a row or column is the same. The cursor must be positioned on the row or column in which it's intended to insert a new row or column. Right-click, choose Insert Row or Column option. To remove rows and columns, it works in the exact same way as to insert them. The cursor must be positioned in the row or column that you want to delete, so with the right button choose the option Delete Row or Column.